Yeah, so we've been wanting gold to break out, and then finally it has done that on a Monday, and that is what we expected to have. So let me just show you exactly what we're expecting and how it is going so far. So this is the tweet on Friday, where on Friday I was like, gold has to get out of the range today. If not, then Monday is going to be a must. So today is Monday, and then gold has indeed gotten out of the range. And what range is that? And the reason why actually gold gets out of the range is the fact that the whole of last week, we've never had volumes. We didn't have volumes to be able to push price either to break up or to break down. So we wanted it to break to the upside, but then now the market has done its thing. So that now, that takes us to the analysis we wanted to do. This is the analysis we did on over the weekend. And we wanted gold to either break to the upside to continue or to the downside so that we can continue to sell. And today, gold has actually done that. Let me just break down the charts for you so that you can be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. So this is gold on the 4-hourly time frame. So I'm not going to do multi-time frame analysis already. I have done that. You just need to come and watch this video, the last one, 21 hours ago. So now, looking at gold on this time frame here, you must begin to realize that gold has failed to break up. This is the high we wanted gold to go and break. So that becomes a major resistance. And then we had these lows here that gold, especially if you look at this last bullish candle here and the market breaks, that is the difference. And from now, we can begin to mark our lows and then where price broke up from. So what do we want to see for us to be able to trade? So if I'm to just make this all the way up to here, this is the zone in which now we can possibly have trades. So how we're going to have trades here will now depend on how the pullback in New York is going to happen. So coming on now, you can switch to a lower time frame, whether it is 1 hour or the 15 minutes time frame. Now, what you want to see for you to be able to trade, you want to see a scenario whereby if the market pulls back into this zone, if we pull back into this zone, whether today or tomorrow, you can begin to see a market giving you a low and then another low and then something like that. So you want to see a scenario where the market fails to continue to go up but begins to form new lower lows. So in that scenario, we can begin to have entries. In other words, a head and shoulders, a double top, a triple top will do well. But if that does not happen, then gold continues to break these lows here. If it continues to break these lows here, then we can still look for those patterns as we continue to trade. But definitely right now, the trend has totally changed. Now, let me just show you exactly why the trend is actually changing. If you can see clearly here, was your high. The market comes down another high. So if you mark this will be like your 3 touches. And I explained to you last time what the meaning of 3 touches, how significant it is. It is just like liquidity being grabbed for the first time, the second, the third, and the market breaks. So now we are definitely on a downtrend. The worst which can actually happen is if the market breaks this, pulls a little bit, and then breaks to continue. So what do you have to do? You just have to monitor and see how this plays out. So let's see how gold is going to play out. See you.